Are these the four most confusing words in French? Let me explain further. Dessus and sur both mean the same thing, on or on top of. But sur must always be followed by a noun, while dessus is used when the noun has already been mentioned. For example, la tasse est sur la table. The cup is on the table. But if you want to say the cup is on it, you will say la tasse est dessus. Dessous and sous both mean under, below, or beneath. But dessous is usually used when the noun has already been mentioned, and sous must always be followed by a noun. For example, le sac est sous la table. The bag is under the table. But if you want to say the bag is under it, you will say le sac est en dessous. If you want to say your names are on the list, you will say vos noms sont sur la liste. But what if you want to say your names are on it? How would you say it? Tell me in comments.